real estate data and what happens in real estate doesn't really connect with the rest of the economy for like a month or even sometimes 2 months after the event has happened. So with the exception of COVID, because everybody had to stop immediately. So, that's why people are still talking about how great real estate is right now. It's because they're looking at data from April and May, it's just not relevant. And, it's within this quickly evolving economy, you got to look at what's happening today. Last week, I wouldn't go much further than 2-3 weeks ago, because then you're into a whole different realm. 3 weeks ago, people were still getting multiple offers, overpriced. And now that's not happening at all. We're seeing markets coming down really fast all over the country. Areas like Austin, Texas, which has been super, super hot, dropped 15% over the last couple of weeks. I mean, it's happening everywhere. I'm going to put on this clip.
I would say if you're a home buyer, somebody or a young person looking to buy a home, you need a bit of a reset. We need to get back to a place where supply and demand are back together, and where inflation is down low again, and mortgage rates are low again. So this will be a process whereby we do our work in a way where the housing market settles in a new place, and housing availability and credit availability are at appropriate levels.
So what do you think of that clip there?
I mean, he says wait for the interest rates to go back. They're not going back now.
He just said, reading between his lines, he just told all the millennial buyers to not buy a house. That's what, 35% of our market, millennials. He just told every millennial to not buy a house until the market corrects itself and readjusts. If the Fed's agenda wasn't clear before, it definitely is now. I've been telling people all along, the Fed wants to cool off housing, and they're going to do it. Now, what he just said is extremely clear. It's not more clear than that. They are going to cool off housing. And that means that I think he probably even may have taken it too far, because what will happen is that he's not talking to everybody. He picked a demographic. Everybody's going to hear that, and everybody's going to pull back, and nobody's going to buy a house. Everything's going to just start falling in on itself now. So the job losses, that's what I thought would be the major catalyst, but this may actually be the catalyst now. And then the job losses that are happening, and with a lot more to come, that's really going to send things into a spiral. This is going to take off, and we're going to see things coming down. Prices are going to come down. More inventory is going to hit the market fast. That conversation is going to be gone within 3-4 months.